We are in Adobe After Effects with video already on timeline. Speeding up video clip works a little different than in Premiere Pro. In order to find the options, we have to have clip we want to adjust selected and then go to Layer, scroll down and pick Time. Two essential options for speeding up and slowing down the video in After Effects are Enable Time Remapping and Time Stretch. When we pick Enable Time Remapping, Time Remap appears right under the video clip and keyframe appears at the beginning and the end of the video clip. We can adjust the speed of the video clip by moving the keyframe at the end of the video closer to the one at the beginning. This will speed up the video. The closer you get to the beginning, the faster the video will play. If you want to slow down the video, you simply pull the keyframe from the end of the clip even further away from the beginning. Since we are working with keyframes here, this option allows us to adjust the speed more precisely through Graph Editor. In order to see your video in Graph, you have to enable little graph icon next to Time Remap so it turns blue, and then go to Graph Editor icon next to Timeline. This will change the view to Graph where you will see all keyframes. The graph gives you even more freedom when it comes to adjusting the keyframes. When you right-click on a keyframe, then go to Keyframe Assistant and pick Easy Ease. A handle through which you can adjust the speed curve will appear on a keyframe. There are even more options in the middle of the screen right under the timeline. The time stretch works a little different way than time remapping. We have a video on timeline selected and go again to Layer, then Time, and we pick Time Stretch. A time stretch window with multiple fields pops up. You can see current duration of the original video, and right under it is a stretch factor with percentage amount through which we can edit the speed of the clip. New duration under stretch factor refers to a duration of the clip after we adjust it with stretch factor. The higher you go with the number in the stretch factor field, the slower the video will be. If you bring the number under 100, the video will be faster. The lower you go, the faster it will be. Hit the subscribe button if you find it helpful. I will be adding more quick tutorials from After Effects and Premiere Pro. Thank you.